Yes, so for the marks distribution, we'll see again. That is for term 1 exam pattern of GK. Marks distribution will be like multiple choice questions. 10 questions are given for 0.5 marks. That is 5 marks in total. Second option will be for fill in the blanks. 6 fill-ups will be there of 1 marks. Means you will be getting 6 marks. Then one word answers, 10 one-word answers will be there, question, and 1 marks for each. Means half marks for the correct spelling and half for the recognition. What will be the correct answer? So 10 marks for one-word answer. Current affairs will be of 4 marks. That means 1 marks each. I have already sent you the PDF for current affairs that you can go through it. For the pattern of multiple choice question, we have discussed earlier also. That is like for question number 1, what was the real name of Munshi Premchand? So 3 options will be given. A is Kalidas, B Vedvyas, C is Dhanpat Rai. So if in your sense Dhanpat Rai is correct answer, you will click on the option C. Okay, because the paper is going to flash in your Android phones. So by that you will be going to click option C. Question number 2, name the charming beach resort near Kolkata. A is Puri, B Anjuna, C is Diga Beach. So Diga Beach is the correct answer. You are going to click for the option C, that is Diga Beach. Number 3, Antarctic Treaty was signed in the year. 3 years will be given, 1982, 1959, 1981. So option B will be correct. Then you will click on option B. These are the simple questions. You have to learn each and every questions of your book. Whatever pages are given to you, the test which we have taken, all the videos you can see for the in-between questions. And you have got the PPTs also. What is the capital of San Marino? So again, 3 options will be there: Washington DC, Malta, and San Marino. So San Marino will be the correct option. In case of fill-ups, fill in the blank form will be given. You have to fill the word. No option will be there. The dash is the ripened ovary of a plant enclosing the seed or seeds. In that you will fill fruits. So you have to fill the spelling also. So you have to memorize the spelling. Learn the spellings carefully in case it is a one-word answer or fill in the blanks. Half marks will be for the spellings. Your hair grows from the pockets in your skin called dash. Your hair is growing from the pockets in the skin are called follicles. Dash was a dacoit before he became a sage. So who was the dacoit that you have studied in Indian literature? That is your lesson, means Valmiki is the correct answer. Next is transpiration is the evaporation of water from leaves. So this blank can be this way also, like I'll be giving you transpiration is the evaporation of water from the dash. So that also you have to fill that it is from the leaves. Blank can be any way of the sentence, that you have to learn it. Dash bears fruits only once. So your brain gym will also come and off the beat will also come. Banana tree bear fruit only once. You have to go through the full page. So this is the simple worksheet of give answer in one word. First question, it is a collection of fables in Sanskrit written by Vishnu Sarma. In 6th century AD, the Persian king Khosrow had it translated into Persian. So the answer is Panchatantra. Those answers we have already discussed in the class. Nothing will be out of syllabus. Next question, which is the biggest desert in the world? That is Sahara Desert. You all know from the lesson deserts. That was a theory, but already we have given you the questions. Throwing a long pointed ball as far as possible. So this is falling from the topic athletics, that is javelin throw. Next is M.A. Chidambaram Stadium is situated in dash. So where is it is situated? It is situated in Chennai. This is coming from the stadium. All the stadiums which we have discussed, and there is the video also for the same. You can go through it because still lot of time is there before exam. If we talk about the current affairs, some sample questions I have put out of the same PDF which I gave you. That is, who has become the first player to take 500 wickets in T20? And the answer is DJ Bravo. You are again instructed that you have to learn the spelling carefully. If the spelling is not matching, that means half of your marks will be deducted. So be careful about the spelling in case if it is of 1 mark answer and you have to write only one word. That means half for the spelling and half for the answer. Next, the woman from the state has ranked top in the list of loan beneficiaries under Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana, that is PMMY, as on March 31st, 2020. So that state is Tamil Nadu. When is International Tiger Day observed naturally? That is 29 July. So these are the four options, and the four categories. The paper is divided in the 4 parts, which just now I have discussed with you. All the best for your exam today. And now we are going to discuss some of the questions relating to your subject. Okay. So this was the PDF which I have prepared. This slide I have prepared just to make you aware like what type of questions will be asked today. The paper will be divided into 4 parts. Okay. Pattern and marks I have already told you. Now I am going to do the revision for each and every page whichever are coming in your exam. So that you have to, I'll just call out your name, you will answer. Fine. Because I hope everybody has already this lesson, these GK syllabus you have already prepared, I hope. So we'll start from the back. That would be fine because earlier also we have discussed so many questions. Joy?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, your question is, this is the largest planet in our solar system. Which is the largest planet?
Jupiter.
Yes, correct. That is Jupiter. Next question. Nehal, which is the smallest planet in our solar system?
Mercury.
Yes, Mercury is the correct answer. Children, after giving answers, you can put your mics on mute. Okay. Next question. Ritika. Ritika. Unmute your mic.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me properly? You also check your connections because not working properly. Khushi, name 2 fossil fuels. Why are you so tensed?
Ma'am, voice is not coming properly.
Khushi? Simran?
Yes, ma'am.
Name any 2 fossil fuels.
Petroleum, coal.
Okay. Correct answer is coal and petroleum. Ritika? Kriti Gautam?
Yes, ma'am.
This planet is nicknamed as the red planet. Which planet is nicknamed as the red planet?
Mars.
Yes, that's the
Mars.
correct answer. It's Mars. Vansh Agrawal? A comet that can be seen every 76 years. Vansh Agrawal? A comet that can be seen every 76 years.
Comet.
Come again? Check your network. Vishal. Group of stars that forms a pattern.
Constellation.
Okay, correct. Aryan.
Yes, ma'am.
Name the biggest spider. Name the biggest spider. Nidhi. Name the biggest spider.
Ma'am, black wind. No, ma'am. Ma'am, which biggest?
Yes, biggest.
The Goliath bird eater spider.
Correct.
No, ma'am. Tarantula.
Yeah, it's okay. Goliath, bird eater, tarantula is there, but that spider will also work.
Okay, ma'am.
Then Netik. Netik, are you prepared? Netik,
Yes, ma'am.
am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Small dog, a very small, large-eyed dog from northern Mexico.
What, ma'am?
A very small, large-eyed dog from northern Mexico.
A very small.
Ariman.
Chihuahua.
Chihuahua is correct answer. Ariman. The process by which plants make their own food. The process by which plants... Yes, that's correct. Dhruv, a leap over a high bar. A leap over a high bar.
High jump.
Correct.
Ma'am, high jump.
Yes. Kamlaksh, throwing a heavy ball as far as possible. Throwing a heavy ball as far as possible. Nitya. Throwing a heavy ball as far as possible.
Short put. Shoot put.
It's not shoot put, it's shot put. Mayank. Mayank Singh. Mayank Singh. Who is left? Ronak Yadav. Ronak Yadav. No connection showing. Joy, what is the capital of Russia?
Russia, Moscow.
Yes, Moscow is the capital. Few current affairs also we can discuss. Aryan. Pandit Jasraj, who passed away in August 2020, is a renowned dash. Who was he? He was a renowned. Ronak. Yes, Nehal.
Ma'am, vocalist.
Yes, he was a renowned vocalist. Name the company which announced $10 billion digitalization fund in India. Which is that country? Company, I'm sorry. Kriti?
Yes, ma'am.
Name the company which announced $10 billion digitalization fund in India.
Only in India.
Dhruv?
Ma'am, Google.
Okay, Google is correct. Next question. Kamlaksh? You tell me, name the river that flows through Ladakh. The river that flows through Ladakh.
The Ghaskar River.
Yes, correct. Ronak? Ronak Yadav?
Yes, ma'am.
Ronak, can you hear me? What type of follicles make straight hair?
Yes, ma'am.
What type of follicles make straight hair?
चले एक मिनट पूछो.
What type of?
Still, you have to think. That means those who are thinking still are not prepared for the test. And we can make out how they are going to give it. Yes, Joy?
Round sheet follicles make straight hair.
Okay, correct answer. So these are some of the revision questions. And you can say the important questions, the pattern of the paper I have told you, how the questions will come, how you have to attempt the paper, everything we have discussed. And one more suggestion, be very honest while giving your paper. Nobody is going to see you when you will be attempting the paper. But the thing is, if you are not studying and giving it, or you are simply copying it from your books, and or you are sitting with elders, those who are guiding you, they are not at all helping you. These marks will not decide your future. The knowledge which you will gain will decide. Classes will go on. This is not the board examination that your mark sheet will come up from CBSE board. So this is the home examination, and we expect honesty from you all, and only you have to do what you have learned or what you have earned during these classes. So be honest. All the best for your exam. Work hard. Still lot of time is there. Those who have not prepared well, or they need revision also. And you can go through the video again for the important questions, the pattern of the question, and all the best. Do your best. Be honest. Again, I'm repeating, be honest while attempting your paper, because I hope you all have done well.